My dear students, today I want to discuss the most important topics of probability, that is random variables and its probability distribution. A random variable is a real valued function whose domain is the sample space of a random experiment. What is a random variable? A random variable is a real valued function whose domain is the sample space of random experiment. For example, let us consider the experiment of tossing a coin 2 times in succession. Let us consider the experiment of tossing a coin 2 times in succession. The sample space of the experiment is HH, HT, TH, TT. Let x denote the number of heads obtained, then x is a random variable, and for each outcome its value is as given below. Now, when here there are how many cases? We want to find the probability distribution of getting H. So now H comes here 2 times, H comes 1 times, H comes 1 times, and TT is equal to 0. So if we determine the probability distributions, then we consider the case of 0 also. मतलब यदि एक कॉइन को 2 बार फेंका जाए तो व्हाट विल बी द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट इट गेट एट मोस्ट 2t, एट मोस्ट 2t. व्हाट विल यू आंसर? एट मोस्ट 2t मतलब 0t, 1t, 2t. एट मोस्ट, see the sample space HH, HT, TH, TT. We want to find the probability distribution of number of t. This question is equivalent to the question if we throw a coin twice. To find the probability of getting at most 2t. Here we consider this case also 0t, 1t, 1t, tt. So how many cases are here? Cardinal number of event is equal to, here in case cardinal number of E is equal to 4 and cardinal number of sample space is 4. So probability of getting at most 2t in throwing 2 coins is 1. Probability is equal to, probability of E is equal to cardinal number of S by cardinal number of E by cardinal number of S, and that is cardinal number of E is equal to 4 by 4, that is 1. So my dear students, the knowledge of probability distribution, in my opinion, should be imparted to the student in class 10 also. In which problem? Problem is find the probability of getting at most wala case, at most 2t in throwing 2 coins, at most 2 head in throwing 2 coins. And this problem is similar to in class 12, the determine the probability distribution table of getting t in throwing 2 coins. So that is find probability distribution of getting head in throwing 2 coins, 2 head, 1 head, there are 2 cases of 1 head and 0 head. So in this way we can determine the probability distribution table. Now see exercise 13.4 of NCERT. State which of the following are not the probability distribution of a random variable. Give reason for your answer. This question is important for multiple type of question. See, x denotes the random variable and px is its probability. It is 0, x is 0, probability is 0.4, x is 1, probability is 0.4, and x is 2, probability is 0.2. Add all the probability, it is 1. So, this table state which of the following are not the probability distribution of a random variable. So, 1 is the probability distribution of the random variable x. But what do you observe? This table 2 number of random variable x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, its corresponding probability 0.1, 0.5, 0.2, minus 0.1 and 0.3. So, what do you observe? The sum of the probabilities of the random variable is not equal to 1. So, it is not a probability distribution, and another case is here the probability is minus 0.1. So, it is not a probability distribution. Now, y is minus 1, 0, 1, 0.6 probability, 0.1 probability, 0.2 probability. So, number of random variable is not equal to minus 1, it is positive. So, it will be not negative. So, now table 3 is not probability distribution table. What about 4? Z is equal to 3 and probability is 0.3, Z is equal to 2, probability is 0.2, Z is equal to 1, probability is 0.4, Z is equal to 0, probability is 0.1, Z is equal to minus 1. It is also not a probability distribution because this number of random variable will be not minus 1. So, my dear students, in this way here we can solve this problem. Now, here we have already given explanation and it is also written problem number 1 is the probability distribution. I have already given reason, and in 2 we know that probability of any observation is not negative. I have already told you. Therefore, the given table is not a probability distribution of random variable. Here all the probabilities are positive, but the sum of probability is not equal to 1, less than 1. So, it is not a probability distribution table. Here in problem number 4, sum of probability distribution is 1.05. So, it is not a probability distribution. We cannot form probability distribution of the given data. So, my dear student, now I want to solve problem number 2. An urn contains 5 red and 2 black balls. 2 balls are randomly thrown. Let x replacement the number of black balls. Let x denote the replacement of number of black ball. What are the possible values of x if x is a random variable? My dear student, here in this problem it is given that an urn contains 5 red. Here this is 5 red and this is 2 black balls. So, now here we want to determine the probability distribution of table. Is x a random variable? What are the possible values of x? What are the possible values of x? X is a random variable. Now, see, इसमें दोनों बॉल ब्लैक हो सकता है, एक बॉल ब्लैक एक रेड, दूसरा रेड, पहला रेड दूसरा ब्लैक एंड दोनों रेड. Therefore, the possible value of x are 0, 1, 2. Here in this problem it is given that an urn contains 5 red ball and 2 black ball. 2 balls are randomly drawn. Let x denote the number of black ball. x किसको डिनोट करता है? ब्लैक बॉल को. What are the possible values of x? Is x a random variable? See here. The possible value of x is 2, 1 and 0. So, in this way we can solve this problem. You see this distribution. Let x represent the difference between the number of heads and the number of tails obtained When a coin is tossed 6 times, what are the possible values of x? Let m denote the number of heads and n denote the number of tails. When a coin is tossed 6 times, then x is equal to difference between m and n. And mod m minus n is equal to how much? Here both m and n can take values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Try to understand. Let x represent the difference between the number of heads and the number of tails obtained when a coin is tossed 6 times. एक coin को 6 टाइम टॉस किया गया. What are the possible values of x? Let m denote the number of heads and n denote the number of tails. When a coin is tossed 6 times, then difference between head and tail is equal to how much? My dear students, both m and n can take how many value? चूंकि 6 बार टॉस किया गया है तो एक भी बार हेड नहीं आया, एक बार हेड आया, दोनों बार हेड आया, 3 बार हेड आया, 4 बार हेड आया, 5 बार हेड आया, 6 बार हेड आया. और करस्पॉन्डिंग उतना ही बार जब 6 बार हेड आया तो एक बार 0 आया. जब 5 बार हेड आया तो 1 बार टेल आया. जब 4 बार हेड आया तो 2 बार टेल आया. जब 3 बार हेड आया तो 3 बार टेल आया. जब 2 बार हेड आया तो 4 बार टेल आया. जब 1 बार हेड आया तो 5 बार टेल आया. जब 0 बार हेड आया तो 6 बार टेल आया. दिस इज द वे बाय विच वी कैन हियर construct the table. Now m minus n, 0 minus 6, mod 0 minus 6 is equal to 6, mod 1 minus 5 is equal to 4, mod 2 minus 4 is equal to 2, mod 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, mod 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, mod 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and mod 6 minus 0 is 6. Thus, we see that x takes value 0 to 0, 2, 4 and 6, 0, 2, 4 and 6. In this way we can solve this problem. Now you can solve problem number 4, 5, 6 at your homework. Now see problem number 7. A coin is biased so that the head is 3 times as likely to occur as tail. If the coin is tossed twice, find the probability distribution of number of tails. My dear students, let x denote the random variable which denote the number of tails when a biased coin is tossed twice. Therefore, x may have value 0, 1 or 2. When x, and here is probability of x. So when tail is 0, then we have HH. And coin is biased. The probability of H is not 1 by 2 here. In this question it is given that probability of H is 3 by 4. So when tail is 0, then HH. So probability is 3 by 4 whole square. When tail comes HT and TH in the ordered pair HT and TH, it will be 3 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 2. T का probability 1 by 4, H का probability 3 by 4. Because in this problem it is given that, what is given? A coin is biased so that the head is 3 times as likely to occur as tail. 3 गुना आता है, 3 बार आता है, ऐसा नहीं है. एक टेल यदि एक कॉइन को फेंके तो हेड चूंकि अनबाइस्ड नहीं है, बाइस्ड है, तो वो 3 बार आता है. तो 3 बाय उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी 3 by 4 ले लिया है. 3 by 4 इंटू 1 by 4 इंटू 2 एंड दूसरा टेल, टेल 2 बार आएगा तो क्या होगा 1 by 4 इंटू 1 by 4. 3/4 हेड है, तो टेल का प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 माइनस 3/4, that is 1/4 into 1/4. So it will be 9/16, 3/8, 1/16 after solving. A random variable x has the following distribution: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square, 7k square plus k. Determine k and probability of x less than 3. Probability of x greater than 6. Probability 0 less than x less than 3. Solution. Since probability of x is equal to 1, therefore probability of 0, probability of 1, probability of 2, probability of 3, probability of 4, probability of 5, probability of 6, probability of 7 is equal to 1, and probability of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are given in term of k, when probability of 0, 0, probability of 1, k, probability of 2, 2k, probability of 3, 2k, probability of 4, 3k, probability of 5, k square plus 2k square, and probability of k square, and probability of 6, 2k square, and probability of 7, 7k square plus k is equal to 1. And after solving, we have k is equal to -1 and k is equal to 1/2. But k is equal to -1 is not possible, as the probability of an event is never negative. Therefore, k is equal to 1/10. So, my dear students, probability of x less than 3, probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2, 0 plus k plus 2k, 0 plus 1/10 plus 2/10, that is 3/10. Probability of x greater than 6, probability of 7 is equal to k square plus 7k square plus k, 7k square plus k. So, now here it will be 7/100 and 1/100, 1/100, because k का मान कितना है 1/10, 1/10. So 7/100 plus 1/10 is equal to 17/100, is equal to 17/100. So my dear student, now I want to discuss sub problem number 4. Probability of 0 less than x less than 3. Probability of 1 plus probability of 2. K plus 2k, 1/10 plus 2/10, that is 3/10. Now you can solve problem number 9 at your home. Now question number 12 is very important for the purpose of examination. You must solve this problem frequently. Two numbers are related at random without replacement from the first 6 positive integers. It is very important. Let x denote the larger of the two numbers obtained. Determine probability distribution. Let my dear student, now my dear student, since first 6 positive integers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the random variable x may have values. क्या कर रहा है? Two numbers are related at random from the first 6 positive integers. Let x denote the larger of the two. यदि हम 1 और 1 लेंगे तो लार्जर ऑफ द टू ये संभव नहीं है, तो हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे 1, 2. तो सी हियर, सिंस 1 कैन नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन 1, since 1 cannot be greater than the other selected number, 1 cannot be greater than to other selected number, so we cannot consider here 1. Also in sample space there are only 30 such pairs, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, will not consider. So probability of x is equal to 2. Is probability of 2 a number less than 2 are related or 1 to 2, 1. Probability of x is equal to 2, 2/30, that is 1/15, 2/30, 1, 2 and 2, 1. Probability of x is equal to 3, 3. Probability of 3 a number less than 3, 3 and a number less than 3, so 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. So probability will be 4/30, that is 2/50. Probability of x is equal to 4, that is 4 and a number less than 4, so 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. and that is 6 by 30, that is 3 by 15. Probability of x is equal to 5 means probability of 5 and a number less than 5 are selected are 1 5, 2 5, 3 5, 4 5, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, that is 8 by 30, 4 by 15. Probability of x is equal to 6, 6 and number less than 6, 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, that is 10 by 30 is equal to 1 by 3. So, in this way we can here determine the table. X is x 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probability of x 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 3 by 15, 4 by 15 and 1 by 3. My dear students, in this way we can solve this problem, and this problem is very, very important. My opinion is you must solve this problem frequently. Now, let question number 13, let x denote the sum of the numbers obtained when two fair dice are rolled. Find the probability distribution table. Let x denote the sum of numbers obtained when two fair dice are rolled. So, x may have value 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 or 12. As 1 cannot be the sum of two numbers on fair dice, so x is equal to 2, probability of 1 1 is 1 by 36. X is equal to 3, probability of 1 2, 2 1 is 2 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 4, 1 3, 3 1, 2 2, 3 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 5, probability of 1 4, 2 3, 3 2, 4 1, 4 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 6, probability of 1 by 5, 2 by 4, 3 by 3 3, 4 2, 5 1, 5 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 7, probability of 1 6, 2 5, 5 2, 3 4, 4 3, 6 1, and that is 6 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 8, 2 6, 3 5, 4 4, 4 3, 6 2, that is 5 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 9, probability of 3 6, 4 5, 5 4, 6 3, 4 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 10, 4 6, 5 5, 6 4, 3 36. Probability of x is equal to 11, 6 5, 5 6, 6 5 is equal to 2 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 2, probability of 6 6 is equal to 1 by 36. So, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, probability is 2 by 36, x is equal to 4, probability of 3 by 26, probability of x is equal to 5, probability of 5, 4 by 36, probability of x 5 by 36, 6 by 36, 5 by 36, 4 by 36, 3 by 36, 2 by 36, 1 by 36. My dear students, in this way I have tried my best to solve the perhaps almost all problem of NCERT under the topic probability distribution. Now, in next video I will also upload some important problems on the topic. It is my opinion you must go through the video, watch the video and stress on the problem which are very, very important. Thank you very much.